Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In this chapter, you will learn how to import and process camera raw images within Photoshop Elements. As mentioned earlier in this course, a camera raw image is the unprocessed image data from your camera's image sensor. You can use the Camera Raw feature of Photoshop Elements to open the Camera Raw file and process it, instead of relying on the camera itself to do this. This lets you apply custom image settings, such as the white balance and tonal range, for example. You can then import a copy of the processed file into Photoshop Elements, just as you would any other image file that you want to edit. The process settings are not saved to the original Camera Raw file, but instead saved as XMP settings within a separate XMP file in the same folder as the Camera Raw image. These settings are used to import Camera Raw files within Photoshop Elements. You can delete the XMP data settings file for a Camera Raw image to remove the import settings and set them back to their default values. This lets you reprocess the Camera Raw file several times if desired to specify the exact processing settings you want. After applying the settings that are used to process your Camera Raw images, you can save those settings for later use if desired. After processing a Camera Raw file, you import a copy of the Camera Raw image into Photoshop Elements using the selected settings. You can then edit the image within Photoshop Elements and save it as one of the many image file types that are available in Photoshop Elements. This lets you save the original Camera Raw data within the Camera Raw file, while allowing you to edit the copies of that data you import into Photoshop Elements.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.